Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about collection data types and its differences. Okay, collection data types in Python are nothing but list, tuple, set and dictionary. The main definitions of this list, tuple, set and dictionary is like basic basically those are non-homogeneous data type structures, means all four accepts integer value, string value, float value as a element in its data. List represented with square brackets separated by comma, tuple represented with curved brackets separated by comma, set represented with curly braces separated by comma, dictionary represented with key pair values separated by comma. These are the syntaxes. List can be created by using list function or square brackets. Tuple can be created by using tuple function or curved brackets. Set can be created by using set function. Dictionary can be created by using dict function or curly braces. Now we will see the code. Okay, initially I wrote the code to save the time. Okay, see, these are my declarations. Okay, these are my declarations. Like here first I declared with only the representations like square brackets, curve brackets, set function and the curly braces. So this is the output for that. And if you see the class like type, list, tuple, set and the dictionary, and after that I'm trying to initialize with the functions list, tuple, set, dict. This is the output for that. Like empty list function initialization for e is empty list and the class is list, tuple, set and the dict. So this is the data for that. Not only the empty values, like you can initialize the data with values also, like not only with empty. Okay, you can initialize the values with data also. Okay, now I will run this data. Okay, so here first what I did here, just I'm initializing the data with the representation values like square brackets, curved brackets and curly brackets and the key pair values. Okay, as I mentioned, all these four data types are accepting all kind of data types, means it is all these four are non homogeneous. Okay, non-homogeneous elements. Okay, it accepts non-homogeneous elements. Okay, so here first here I'm giving the integer value, next string, next float, again here I'm giving the list value. Okay, these are the output. These are the output for the list, tuple, set and dictionary. Okay, likewise you can initialize the data with the functions. Okay, this is the list function, tuple function, set function and the dict function, and this is the output, initialization the data with the functions. Okay, this is the output. Now you can see, okay, ordering position, sorry, yeah, order, list, tuple is a ordered collection of elements. Okay, basically the ordered or unordered collection of elements means how we are writing the data. Likewise it it comes back, like it displays the data same way. It is like a order collection of data, like the index positions will not change. Okay, that is the ordered collection of data. In unordered collection of data, the index position will change. Okay, for example, if you give the value 1 2 3 4, there might be a chance of the output it comes like 2 1 4 3. Okay, so list tuple is ordered based collection of data, like index based data, and set is unordered collection of data, means the output you cannot predict the order, output order. Okay, dictionary earlier 3.7, dictionary is also unordered data, collection of data, but after 3.7, dictionary is also ordered collection of data. Okay, we will see the example here. For example, here I am providing the data for the, here I am providing data for the list tuple. Okay, here just I am providing 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery 1 2 3. Okay, likewise, like it throws me the output, same index. Okay, positioning is not changing here. For tuple also, here I am giving 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery. For tuple also, index is not changing. Okay, but set, as I mentioned, set is unordered collection of data. As of now, here it is giving the same structure, like same positioning, like 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery. If I remove, if I if I remove my compiled file, okay, if I remove my compiled file and if I run again, okay, here also it is not changing, but see, in some scenarios it changed, some scenarios it is not changing. So that's the reason we call it like a unordered collection of data. I will try one more time and then I will show you if I get. Yeah, basically set is a unordered collection of data, so you cannot predict the order. Okay, see, now it works here now. Okay, yeah, those set, like here I'm passing 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery, but the output here it comes like 1 2 3 Montgomery Kumar. But if you take the list is the same positioning, same order, and tuple is also same order, same positioning, but set positioning is changing, means unorder. Okay, again, dictionary is also in the same order, dictionary position is not changing. Okay, this is the ordered collection and unordered collection of data. Basically, list, tuple and dictionary are the ordered collection of data, means the position is not changing, position is coming as it is. But set is unordered collection of data, means the position of the output may be changed or may not be changed. Okay, so till now you are seeing, sorry, yeah, till now you are seeing the definition, like a non-homogeneous. All four are the non-homogeneous, means it can accept any kind of data type element, and the syntax and the ordered. Now you will see the mutable or immutable. Mutable means mutation, like in COVID you can hear this sound very much, like mutation or mutated, the virus mutated from one to another. Okay, mutation means you can change. Okay, you you can make any change in the value, okay, in the data. Immutable means you cannot change the value, once you declared, you cannot change the value. Okay, list is a mutable collection of elements, you can change the value inside the list. But tuple is immutable, means you cannot change, we cannot do any changes in the tuple. So tuple is a immutable collection of elements. Now set is also a mutable collection of unique elements. Set will not accept duplicate values. Okay, at backend they are having some hashing technique. Because of that reason, set is not accepting du duplicate values. Okay, set only contains the unique values, and the two, set is a mutable collection, so we can do any changes in the set. Its elements are not duplicated. Now dictionary is also a mutable, but here the keys are not duplicated. Keys should be unique. Values you can duplicate, but keys should be unique. So dictionary is also a mutable. Here the odd man out is tuple. In the earlier ordering position, the odd man out is set. Now in the mutable or immutable, the odd man out is tuple. Okay, list, set, dictionary or the mutable collection of elements, but tuple is immutable collection of elements. You will see the code. Okay, so this is my list of data. Okay, this is my list of data. 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery. Okay, here I am trying to add value a to the position of 3. Position of 3 means Kumar. Okay, we will see the output after mutable. Okay, list a data after mutable. Okay, see here Kumar is replacing with 11. Kumar is replacing with 11. For example, if I want to do the same operation with tuple, see it is not accepting the assignment operator, so we cannot do the addition here. Okay, like you cannot add the value, but set, okay, set is also a mutable collection of elements. You can add the value. So here I'm adding the value 4. Here I'm adding the value 4. As I mentioned, set is unordered collection of data, so where you add, it will add in between anywhere. Okay, here it is adding at 4. Okay, 4 here in the index position 0 1 2 3. In the third index position 4 is adding. Okay, while coming to dictionary is also a mutable collection of elements, but here keys should be unique and values can be duplicate. Okay, so what I do here, in the key value C, for the key value C, here I am changing the, for the key C I am changing the value Kumar to 11. So Kumar Montgomery to 11. So here C of 11. These are the most important question. This is the most important question in the interview. What is mutable and what is immutable in collection of data types: list, tuple, set and dictionary. Now next is duplicate. Next is duplicate. List allows duplicate data elements. Tuple allows duplicate data elements, but set will not allow duplicate data elements, like all elements are unique. While coming to dictionary also does not allow duplicate keys, but values can be duplicate. So keys are unique in the dictionary. Keys are unique in the dictionary. Okay, here I will take the same example and I will explain you. See here, I have the data 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery 213 means the duplicate. So list accepts the duplicate data, and for tuple also 1 2 3 a 21, like 21 is repeated here, and Kumar Montgomery, see here the output 1 2 3 a 21 and Kumar Montgomery. So it accepts the duplicate. While coming to set, set will not accept the duplicate. Here I have the data 1, 2, 3 Kumar Montgomery, and here 2, 1 Kumar Montgomery is the duplicated. So, but here it prints only one time 1, 2, 3 Montgomery Kumar. And if you observe here, the indexing is also changing, like position is also changing. Kumar Montgomery position is also changing. Okay, and dictionary, the keys should not be duplicate, values can be duplicate. See here what it happen, here I'm giving the key a, b, c, d, and again here I'm giving the a. Okay, but what it is doing, it is taking the last assignment value, last assignment key. Okay, last assignment key. So that's the reason for key A value is 100, last assignment value is 100, and B to C A and D to, it accepts the duplicate value, like here 2 comes twice, but the keys should be unique, keys should be unique. So dictionary and set will not accept the duplicates, like set truly not accept the duplicate, like means all the data should be unique, but a dictionary keys should be unique, values you can duplicate, values you can duplicate. Okay, now indexing, now indexing, sorry, yeah, list has integer based indexing, means the index start with 0, 1, 2, 3 till the end of the list, till the end of the list value or the length. And tuple, tuple is also integer based indexing. Okay, same, it starts with 0 and ends with length of the tuple. Okay, but set is not index based. Why? Because set is unordered collection of data, so you cannot predict the position or order of the element in the data. So that's the reason set is not index based, you cannot call via index base. And dictionary is key based indexing, you can call the keys. Okay, the keys will identify the value, but keys should be unique in the dictionary. Now we will see the code for that. Okay, here what I will do here, I'll uncomment that set also, we will see. Okay, yeah, so as I mentioned, list is integer based indexing. Okay, here this is my list data 1, 2, 3 Kumar Montgomery. Here what I want to take, I want to the 0th index. 0th index means a of 0, a of 0 is here 1. Okay, see the output is 1, and a of 1, a of 1 means 0 comma 1 means 2, value is 2, for the first index value is 2, so this is the output. Okay, like index starts with 0 and ends with length of list minus 1. Okay, for the tuple also same, like index based integer based index 0, 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and a. Okay, here also same, like 0th index or 0th position of the b is 1, 1. Okay, and first position of the b is 2. Okay, first position of the b is 2, means like tuple also starts with 0. While coming to set, as I mentioned, set is unordered collection of data, so the positions you cannot predict. That's the reason you cannot creating the index for the set. Okay, see, set object has no subscriptable. Okay, we don't have the index for the set. Okay, For the dictionary, here we need to take the dictionary with the key. Okay, d of e is equal to 10, value is 10. So here it is printing the value 10. For example, if I am writing print d of c, okay, print d of c, it is giving the output Kumar Motomari @Kumar Motomari, my channel name. Okay, so likewise this index is happening here. Here also the oddman out is set will not accept the indexes, list, tuple or the integer based index, and dictionary is the key based index. Okay, next we will see the sorting. We have the sort method. Okay, what the sort method will do? This sort method will order the data in the sorting position. Okay, like ascending to descending, like that. Okay, so tuple is immutable, so sorting method is not applicable here. As I mentioned, you cannot change the data. Once you declare, you declared, you cannot change the data or the position. And set is unordered, so sorting is not advised here. If you sort the set, okay, but again when it is giving the output in the printing stage, print, okay, again it will be the unordered. Okay, so you cannot, it is not advisable here in the set. And dictionary keys are sorted by using the sorted method. We have the sorted method. For the list we have the sort method, and for the dictionary we have the sorted method. Here oddman out is tuple and the set is not advisable for that. And for tuple it is the immutable object, so you cannot change the data. That's the reason you cannot change the element position or the element in the data, so that's the reason you cannot perform the operation. You cannot perform the operation. So here I'm printing okay, for the list here I'm taking 120 13 420. Okay, and when I do the sort operation, a dot sort, so it is sorted values are like 4 13 20 20 100. Okay, it is doing the ascending order. For tuple yeah, for tuple we don't have the methods sort or anything, so that's the reason here I'm not printing the value, just like I'm taking the value what I'm providing here. For the set is also it is not advisable. Why? Because we don't have the basically it is not it is unordered collection of data, so you cannot predict the order. That's the reason here ascending or descending sort option is not present for that. While coming to the dictionary, dictionary is the dictionary contains the sorted method. So with the help of that sorted method, the keys will be sorted here. So this is the output. This is the sorted method I used, sorted of the D, and this is the output A, B, C. So this is the output. Basically for the tuple and then set, you cannot do any sort operations because of that immutability of the tuple and unordered collection of data for the set. Because of that reason you cannot do any operations. Okay, search. Okay, as I mentioned, list is the index based, like integer based index. Okay, index returns the, like we have the function index returns the index of the first occurrence. In tuple also we have the index, it returns the, you cannot change the position but you can return the index of that position. Okay, like index of that value or position of that value you can return, okay, but you cannot change for the tuple. Set is unordered, so searching is not possible here. And for dictionary, with the help of get key, Okay, with the help of get key you can get the value. Now we will see that sorting option or indexing or indexing. Okay, these are the list values. Like now we are seeing the searching index searching. Okay, these are my list values 1 2 3 comma Montgomery, and here I'm trying to get the index of 1. Okay, index of 1 value 1 is 0, like it is the first index starts with 0 in the list. Okay, for the index of Kumar means 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, index of Kumar is 3. So like that, here the tuple is also you can get the index for the tuple. See, index of 1 for the tuple is 0, index of Montgomery is 4, means we have the 5 elements. So length of tuple minus 1 4, so output is 4. Okay, for the set we don't have the index, so that's the reason here we are not performing that. But for the dictionary we have the key based index, so I need to generate the key and the value. So here the value is x, sorry, the key is x, and the index is I in the enumerate function. Like for the dictionary or you want to get the elements, okay, you have to use the enumerate function. Like index, if you want to get the index you have to use the enumerate function. So with the help of that enumerate function, we are returning I means the index and x means the key. Okay, here the key a b c and the index are 0 1 2, 0 1 2 a b c, and the index are 0 1 2. Okay, so here index searching is not possible for the set, so here odd man out is set. Okay, now addition. Okay, you can add the value to the list. Why? Because list is the mutable object, you can change the element inside the list data, so you can add the element inside the list with the help of append method. Okay, but while coming to tuple is the immutable object, so once declared you cannot do any changes in the tuple, so new data you cannot add to my tuple. While coming to set, with the help of add method you can add the element. So with the help of add method you can add the element, but the position is not guarantee here, it can add anywhere in between, while coming to dictionary you can update the key value pair with update function. You can update the key value pair with update function. These are the syntax like L.append, S.add, or D. Dictionary dot update, or set dot add, and list dot append. Okay, now we'll see that code further for that appending the data or adding the data. Okay, this is my list value 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery. Here I am appending the value 5 to my list. Okay, so see here it is appending here 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery 5. Not only append dot add, we have the insert method. So with the help of that insert method also you are inserting at that particular position. Okay, so here I want to insert the value 11 at the position 4, at the position 4. If you consider the position 4 like 0 1 2 3 4, okay, so at the position 4 it is inserting the value 11. Like that append or insert is working in the list. While coming to tuple, tuple will not accept the appending. Okay, so you cannot add it. It is 1 2 3 comma Montgomery 1 2 3 comma Montgomery. You cannot perform any operation or you cannot do any changes for the tuple. While coming to set, set you can add the value, but position is not guarantee for the set. Okay, here the input are like 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery, and here I'm trying to add the value 20, and if you observe here it is printing at last. Sometimes it printing at first or in middle. Okay, there might be any chance here. So once you add the data, like it is added here. While coming to dictionary, dictionary we have the update function. So with the help of the update function you can add. So here I have the update, here I have the update function d.dictionary.update, and here I am passing the keeper value d of 10. Okay, so this is the dictionary value till Kumar Montgomery. I have the dictionary value. After updated the data, now you will see the d colon 10. So these are the basic operations we perform. Here admin out is tuple. Why? Because tuple is the immutable object collection of elements, so you cannot perform any operation on the tuple. While coming to deletion, to delete any element with the help of the pop, but here tuple once you declared because of the immutability you cannot delete any data. Set elements can be deleted with the help of the pop method or function, and dictionary is also deleted the key along with the value with the help of the pop. You will see that now. See, these are my list values. List values are 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery. See, this is the routine data, like I'm taking here like 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery and a dot pop. What it will do, it pop the last position, last index or last position of the list. So it is popping out the Montgomery, it is popping out the Montgomery. Or we have the a dot remove. What a dot remove will do, this a dot remove will remove the value present inside the list. Okay, the value 3, it is removing the value 3 1 2 3 Kumar. Earlier we have the, when I use the pop it removes the last value. When I use that remove, so it deletes the value. Okay, instead of index it is deleting the value of that value index. Okay, it is deleting that value index. So like that tuple, tuple we don't have the deletion option. Why? Because tuple is the immutable object, you cannot delete. While coming to set, you can pop the data, and here we have the 1 2 3 Kumar Montgomery, but it is popping out the one like 2 3 Montgomery Kumar. So as we discuss it is the unordered collection of data, so it can delete at anywhere, so we can't know, and that's the reason. But here pop function will work for the set. While coming to dictionary, dictionary also we deleted the position. Okay, we deleted the position B in the dictionary. We deleted the position B in the dictionary. Means position B means the second position we deleted. And pop item, so with the help of that pop item, what they did, it removes that enter key pair value. It removes that enter key pair value um, from the dictionary. It removes enter key pair value from the dictionary. So these are the major differences, and it is very important for you in interview perspective or in the learning perspective or when you are writing the code. It also, like I quickly tell you one more time, like, or the key points here: list a tuple set or all four are the non-homogeneous data type structure data types, means it accepts integer, string, float, or any kind of the collection element. So these are the non-homogeneous. And list represented with square brackets, tuple represented with curved brackets, set represented with curly brackets, dictionary represented with key pair value. The syntax functions are like list, tuple, set, or dict. And in now I will quickly tell you the odd man outs here. In the order collection of elements, the odd man out is a set. Set is unordered collection of element, but remaining three are ordered collection of element. While coming to mutable or immutable, here the odd man out is tuple. Why? Because tuple is the immutable. You cannot change the value. You cannot do any operations for the tuple. Once you declared. You cannot do any operations. So you cannot perform any operations on the tuple. Immutable means you cannot do any modifications. Once you declare the data. But remaining three are the mutable collection of elements. You can do any operation. You can change the value. Okay. While coming to duplicate data, here odd man out is the set. Why? Because set accepts only the unique, like gives only the unique value. Okay, set only gives only the unique value. And dictionary the keys are the unique, but values can be duplicated. While coming to next point, indexing. While coming to next point, indexing. Here the odd man out is set again. Why? Because set is not a ordered collection of elements, so you cannot predict the output position of the output. So that's the reason here odd man out is set. Remaining three are index integer based indexing, and dictionary is key based indexing. Okay. Now sorting. In sorting method, list list and dictionary you can sort. For the list you can sort with the help of the sort method, but here odd man out is a tuple and set. Okay. Why tuple? Tuple is the immutable collection of elements, so you cannot change the position. That's the reason sorting is not possible in the tuple. And set, why? Because the ordering position is not same as the input, so that's the reason you cannot predict the sort, or you cannot do the sort, like it is not advised for that. So here in the sorting, odd man out is tuple and set. List and dictionary you can sort with the help of the sorted or sort methods. While coming to searching, all these or the index based searchings we do here in the odd man out is the set. Why? Because again set is the unordered collection of data elements, so you cannot predict the index of that value. So that's the reason here the odd man out is the set. A dictionary is the key based searching you can do. Okay. And list and tuple you can do like a index, just index based searching. And here addition of the value or append the value. List you can append the value, but tuple is the immutable collection of elements, so that's the reason you cannot append the value. And set and dictionary you can add the value with the help of add and update. For the set you will use the add function, and for the dictionary you will use the update function. So here in the addition, odd man out is tuple. Deletion also, like here odd man out is tuple. You cannot, data cannot be deleted. Once you declared, you cannot be deleted. And remaining all three we have the pop and pop items, so it will remove at the last position. Now I'll let you know only the odd man outs. Okay, for the ordered, odd man out is set. For the mutable, odd man out is a tuple. For the duplicate, odd man out is set. For the indexing, odd man out is set. For the sorting, odd man out is a tuple and set. For the searching, odd man out is set. For the addition, the odd man out is a tuple, and deletion, the odd man out is tuple. Why? Because tuple and set, tuple is a immutable collection of elements, tuple contains immutable collection of elements. Because of that reason, you cannot change the position, you cannot add the data, and you cannot delete the data. While coming to set, set is unordered collection of data, so that's the reason you cannot get the indexing, you cannot search or sort. Okay, these are the major differences in the collection data types, and it will be very useful for the interview point of perspective, and also learning perspective. When you are writing the code at that time, you can use properly where it is possible. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.